A world-class search engine in Hyderabad once trained an AI to suggest relevant products to shoppers, and for 6 months it was perfect. Suddenly, customers started complaining that the AI was suggesting winter woolens in the middle of a scorching May heat wave. The model hadn't broken, it had simply stopped matching the current reality. This is exactly what we call model drift. In formal terms, model drift is the decay in the predictive power of an AI model as the environment changes or the underlying data patterns shift over time. In our world, it is like a chef who keeps seasoning soup based on a recipe written for a different season. What was delicious in December is completely wrong in July. As lead auditors, our job is to realize that AI is not a static piece of software like a calculator. It is an organic, changing thing that needs constant supervision. If you don't watch it, it slowly wanders away from the truth. So, now that we've mastered the core concept of model drift and why it happens, you might be wondering how we can actually detect this silent decay before it ruins our business metrics. Well, that brings us right into our next step, which is the early warning signs of monitoring. Think about the security cameras in a high security lobby in Ahmedabad. If the camera lens gets foggy or covered in dust, the guard watching the screens doesn't see the intruder anymore. That is what happens when we lack proper monitoring. We need to define performance indicators or KPIs that tell us exactly when the model is losing its edge. The standard defines this as establishing a robust monitoring framework to capture performance deviations. Simply put, it is setting up a dashboard that screams at you when the numbers stop making sense. You have probably seen this at the office, where a manager stares at a spreadsheet, not realizing the data is 2 weeks old. In AI, we can't afford that delay. We need automated triggers that alert us if the model's confidence score drops below a certain point. It is not enough to have a model. You need a system that watches the model's heartbeat every single second. So now that we've mastered how to set up the right eyes on our AI, you might be wondering how we figure out why the model started acting strangely in the first place. Well, that brings us right into our next step, which is root cause analysis for AI. Imagine you are a detective at the bustling docks of Chennai. A shipment of goods is missing and you have to backtrack the entire supply chain to find the exact point where things went sideways. When a model drifts, we play the same role. We look for root cause analysis, which the standard describes as a systematic process to identify the origin of a system failure. In simple words, it is asking why until you find the truth. Did the data source change? Did the user behavior shift? Maybe your retail AI is failing because the demographics in that city have changed, but you are still feeding it old census data. You need to investigate the inputs. Stay with me here. It is very easy to blame the algorithm itself, but 90% of the time, the model is just a mirror reflecting bad data. By tracing the lineage of the data, you can pinpoint if the drift started in the input feed, the processing logic, or the environment. So now that we've mastered the investigative side of finding the why behind the drift, you might be wondering how we actually fix the issue once we find it. Well, that brings us right into our next step, which is the retraining and remediation process. After a heavy monsoon in Mumbai, an AI model designed to predict traffic congestion might start providing inaccurate travel times because the road conditions have physically changed. If you just keep using that old model, you are wasting time and resources. This is where retraining comes in. The formal definition is the process of updating an AI model with new, relevant data to restore its performance accuracy. Let's make this simple. It is like sending an employee to a refresher course after new software is installed. You don't fire the employee, you just give them the new information they need to do their job correctly. We need to validate that the new data is clean, unbiased, and representative of the new normal. As auditors, we don't just look for the fixed model, we look for the documented process that shows how they chose the new data and how they tested it before pushing it back into production. So now that we've mastered how to retrain and update our AI systems, you might be wondering how we keep this from happening every few weeks. Well, that brings us right into our next step, which is automated feedback loops. Think of the cruise control in a car driving through the winding roads of the Nilgiri Hills. If the car just maintained a set speed, regardless of the curves, it would fly off the road. Instead, it uses a feedback loop, constantly sensing the road, adjusting the throttle, and balancing the speed. ISO 42001 encourages the same for AI. A feedback loop is a mechanism where the output of the model is monitored and fed back into the training process as a correction. Simply put, it is a self-correcting cycle. When the AI makes a mistake, the system flags it, learns from that specific mistake, and updates its logic automatically. You have seen this with smart thermostats at home that learn your habits over time. When we apply this to corporate AI, we build a system that gets smarter every day instead of slowly drifting into irrelevance. It requires a high level of technical maturity, but it is the ultimate goal of a stable AI management system. So now that we have mastered how to build self-learning stable loops, you might be wondering how we prove all this to an external body during a certification audit. Well, that brings us right into our next step, which is the audit trail and transparency. Walking into a corporate boardroom in Kolkata, an auditor is essentially the final hurdle for an AI project. You are not there to catch them in a lie. You are there to verify that their story of performance matches the reality of their data. We look for the audit trail, which is the documented evidence of all actions taken to identify, monitor, and correct model drift. In simple terms, it is your receipt book. If you claim you retrained the model because of drift, show me the before and after performance logs. Show me the dates. Show me the data sources. Transparency is the bedrock of the 42001 certification. You have learned about detecting decay, monitoring, root cause analysis, retraining, and building feedback loops. As a professional, your value lies in your ability to look past the fancy marketing of a new AI tool and verify that the system is actually being maintained like a professional asset.